Oh. Oh.
Alright, we need both those parts back.
One's in the trash can.
I can see the other one. Yep. Here we go.
Just wipe it off before you get it back. Jeez. Okay, we're missing one washer thickness.
One washer. Some Jenga.
Right on.
Where's your lever?
Right there.
Does it resemble this one?
It does.
Look at that.
Brilliant.
Probably filming all this too, I bet.
Yep.
Yeah, great. More boring videos.
More boring videos of awesome stuff.
Whatever. Okay. Is that what you want?
Yep.
It's done.
Sweet.
It's custom.
It's custom. Put that up on Chop Ass.
Alright, we got two legs done. Where's our third leg coming from? You haven't made that.
Girls ask me that all the time.
You haven't made that one yet.
Do we need a third leg?
Yep. Probably. Maybe not. How many you want?
Only need two.
If it comes loose, it's your fault?
Yep.
Okay. Gotta go from here to there. It's a long ways to stand off. That one's straight.
Yeah.
That one just comes from here to here. We just need to know how long that is.
Yeah.
Cope two sides, weld it in. This one over here, it's a little bit longer. It's gonna be almost a straight shot. Almost do that with flat stock. Got any flat stock? No.
I don't have any on me.
Yeah, I figured.
I can go get some.
Figured as much.
Go over to.
Home Cheapo?
No, I'd head over to that place right behind K Surplus.
Oh, wonderful. Okay, we need 1 3/8 inches after coping.
That's old 3/8.
I use 3/8. Half inch would be too big. So we'll go make that 1 3/8 after coping. Coping's when you put the grooves in.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Onward, onward. Doesn't fit. See precision cutting.
Mm-hmm. Dialed in. Look at that. Like a glove.
A little tight.
Like an O.J. Simpson glove. Huh? You get it? You know, he murdered his girlfriend. That's going to be great for the comments.
Yeah. O.J. Simpson glove.
Yeah.
If the glove don't fit, you must quit.
Multitasking.
Might be a little snug.
There you go.
You missed about 15 thou.
That's
Not
uncalled for.
I know, it's not acceptable. sorry.
Not to spec.
I have to go work on that now a little bit. So we cut this one. There's the problem right there. It's too deep in the middle.
It's too deep in the middle.
It doesn't match the radius.
Oh,
It's close though.
close.
And see, that one doesn't perfect either. Whoever eyeballed it, eyeballs are off.
Fucking eyeballs. So we trimmed it up a little bit. Fits. Looks like it fits pretty dang good now.
You thought that before.
Maybe.
See, there's clearance now, see?
Yeah.
Binding like it was. Okay. Is that what you want?
That looks good to me.
No, you wouldn't know any different anyway.
No, I wouldn't.
I'm going to attach the other side.
Not even gonna camouflage that at all. No way.
Alright.
That one next.
Your mark looks to be off by a little bit.
A tad.
What a shocking statement there.
Eyeballing it always works
For you.
for me.
That's straight.
Think so.
You didn't even focus in time. Everybody missed it. How long before it looks like this? Is it gonna make it all the way or not?
I think it will.
I think we're dreaming.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Start the timer.
Would you like to go that far?
Oh, I'm gonna be in the fire line over here.
It's gonna cut my vise off too. I don't like that. Better than that last disc.
Yeah, told you it was gonna stay. I was right for once. Might be a little.
Okay, how close was it?
So fucking far.
Moment of truth. You're like way the hell off. Throw that away and start over.
I told you I'm not good at that.
Yep. That's so far off.
Here, I'm gonna hold the rod next time and you can draw the lines.
Well, you ain't like the accuracy you had this time?
I'm not that good at it, obviously. Well, there's your problem.
Yeah, you're way off. That's the problem. That's just a little bit of gap fill with a welder. That's all that is. Gap fill.
Yeah, we can. Well, you can do it. I wouldn't be able to do it.
All right. Closer. Not quite enough. That's the right grit.
I think so. Might be a little soft.
Yeah, that's looking a little better now. That felt tip went off.
It's in your pocket.
Do you recycle over here?
What's that?
Recycle. I just threw it in the trash.
Yeah, right in the trash. Yeah, it's a good spot.
See ya.
We're still going to be off a little.
That's a horizontal mark. There we go.
Like that. Well, that's real close.
Maybe. Depends on how good your eyes are.
Obviously not. What am I doing?
Chopping.
I forgot a long time ago what I was doing. We need to be that high.
Yep.
And this one is no good. It's a good thing, because this one's way short. hold that. Alright, where did I leave off? I purposely cut it extra long. Looks like the angles are good this time.
Yeah, you did them.
See, that was the original cutoff point there. But
Mhm.
looks like we need to go down about to here this time. Take a 1/4 inch off. Bark.
It's mine.
You make that?
Yeah.
Dude, can you have one of those? I'll buy one of those from you, dude.
I can't keep it.
Alright, we close this time?
I think we nailed it. You nailed it.
Yeah, a little bit. It'll work at least. The washer's in the way.
Oh, that's all right. That's coming out, isn't
You just have to get 2 wrenches.
it?